How to get banner on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can add banner on Pinterest. Before you begin, ensure that you have converted your account to a business account. If you have done that before, open the Pinterest application on your mobile device. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen, you will see 3 dots. Tap on these dots and a menu will appear. Select Add Cover Image from the menu. Now you can choose an image from your gallery to use as your banner. Once you have selected the image, you will have the option to adjust it to fit your preferences. After making any necessary adjustment, tap on Done at the top of the screen. A prompt will appear confirming your changes. Click on Update and your banner or cover will be successfully added to your Pinterest profile. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video.